Hello and welcome. Today's recipe is a seafood recipe. It is salmon and chives in spiced coconut milk. This recipe has salmon cooking in an aromatic and lightly spiced coconut gravy. It tastes great with white rice. Come, let's get started. I have 170 grams of salmon here that I'm marinating with a little salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. I'll keep this aside for the time being. Let's now grind the ingredients for the aromatic paste. 1 small onion chopped. 3 green bird's eye chillies also chopped. 2 coriander roots also chopped. Coriander roots going into the grinder now. And lastly, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. And a little bit of water to help in the grinding. I'll grind this and be back shortly. This is the ground aromatic paste. I'll keep it aside for now. 10 grams of green dragon chives that I'm going to cut into 1-inch lengths. Let's keep this aside as well. I have a frying pan on medium heat with sufficient oil to pan fry the salmon. The salmon is going in to be fried on one side. Turn the piece of salmon over to be fried on the flip side after 1 minute. Now fry the other side for 1 minute. It's been a minute. Let's turn the salmon over and fry for another 30 seconds. Please note that we do not fry the fish fully in the oil. Remove the piece of salmon from the oil after 30 seconds. This is the partially fried salmon. Let's keep it aside. Remove the oil, leaving about 2 tablespoons in the frying pan. We'll now fry the aromatic paste for 1.5 minutes. The flame is still at medium. The raw smell has gone and the paste has turned fragrant. So it's now time to add 100 ml of thick coconut milk that has been diluted with 20 ml of water. Turn the flame down to low and stir to combine the aromatic paste with the coconut milk. The coconut milk is heating up on a low flame. Now let's add a 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder. Stir well to make the coconut milk a homogeneous color. Gently place the salmon in the spiced coconut milk. Then pour some coconut milk on the piece of salmon. Oops, I almost forgot the salt. Well, better late than never. Turn the salmon over after 2 minutes. Pour coconut milk on the other side of the salmon. After 2 minutes, add the jade colored chives to the salmon that is cooking in this light coral colored coconut milk. Turn the flame off after a minute. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice after 1.5 minutes. We only add the lemon juice after about 1.5 minutes so as to not curdle the coconut milk. The salmon and chives in spiced coconut milk is done. Let's now plate the dish. The very attractive and tasty salmon and chives in spiced coconut milk. A simple recipe to tantalize your taste buds. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.